In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate a Canva project and flip images effectively within it. Canva is a versatile tool that many of us use for creating visual content, whether it's for professional projects, personal creativity, or educational materials. What we're focusing on today is a simple yet frequently performed task: flipping images to better suit your project's artistic needs. First things first, you'll need to access your Canva project. If you haven't already created an account, make sure you do so at Canva's website to start or continue working on your project. Once you're logged in, find the project you want to work on. You can do this by either creating a new project through the dashboard or by selecting an existing one from the Your Projects section. Clicking onto the project will take you directly to the editor, where you'll see your canvas for creating or modifying visuals. Now let's talk about flipping images. At this point, it's important to note that within Canva, you can't exactly flip a whole page or canvas. What you do have the ability to do is flip individual images within the page. And while it might seem like a limitation, in most cases, this functionality is all you'll need to ensure your design feels just right. To begin, choose the image on your canvas that you'd like to flip. Hover over the image and click to select it. You'll notice various options appear on the top of your toolbar, and one of those options is simply labeled Flip. Clicking on Flip will give you two options: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Let's break that down a bit. Selecting Flip Horizontal will mirror your image along the vertical axis, essentially giving you a reversed image from left to right. This is particularly useful when you want to create a sense of symmetry or when the image orientation affects the visual flow of your design. On the other hand, choosing Flip Vertical will mirror the image along the horizontal axis, flipping it upside down. This can be handy if you're aiming for a creative perspective shift or need to adjust how elements appear in relation to text or other images. Once you've decided which flip suits your needs, simply click the option and Canva will instantly flip the image. It's as simple as that, and it adds a layer of creative flexibility to your design process. With that done, make sure to save your progress. Canva automatically saves changes, but it's always good practice to double check, especially before closing or navigating away from your project. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on flipping images in Canva. This simple tool can make a big difference in your creative process, providing you with more adaptability and control over your visual elements. So go ahead and use these steps to bring new life and orientation to your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.